You are not here to chase anyone. You are here to become someone. There is a difference. For too long, you tried to explain yourself to people who were not listening. You tried to prove your worth with effort and apologies and long messages sent at midnight. It did not work because people do not value what begs for them. People value what is scarce, what is grounded, what stands on its own 2 feet and does not move for approval. So today becomes different. Today you pull your attention back like a soldier returning from a lost battle. You pack up your energy from places that only drain it. You begin with one simple rule: no chasing, no performing, no explaining. At first, your world will feel quiet. The phone pings less. The mind searches for old loops. You want to send a message to remind them that you exist. You do not. You let the silence sit between you and them, like a clean line on the ground. That silence is not empty. It is a forge. In the forge, you learn to breathe again. You sleep earlier. You wake earlier. You step outside before the city fully wakes, and you feel the air on your face like a promise. You move your body because a tired body makes a tired mind, and a strong body steadies the heart. You lift something heavy, and you learn that weight does not argue back. It simply asks for effort and rewards it every time. Then you take your attention and place it on your work. Not busy work designed to distract you. Meaningful work that builds a future man will respect when he looks back. You create a schedule you can keep when nobody watches. You give your word to yourself, and you keep it. You decide that your mood no longer controls your day. Your standards do. Little by little, you remember what dignity feels like. Dignity is not loud. Dignity does not need to post every win or defend itself to every critic. Dignity is quiet and solid, like bedrock under a mountain. You can build a life on it. People around you will notice the change before you do. First, they will test it. They will send the small bait text. They will ask for favors that cost you far more than they cost them. They will remind you of old memories and the version of you that said yes to everything. You will answer with calm boundaries. No long story, no anger. Just a clear line. Not today. Not like that. Not anymore. Some will call you cold. You are not cold. You are focused. Some will call you selfish. You are not selfish. You are responsible for the one life in your hands. The mind will wrestle you like a storm. It will ask for shortcuts. It will tell you to numb yourself with cheap comforts and old habits. You will not take the bait. You will sit through the discomfort because you finally understand a secret. Discomfort is not your enemy. Discomfort is a door. On the other side of that door is a different rhythm. You speak slower and say less because you trust your actions to do the talking. You choose your friends with care because your time is a currency and your future is the investment. You keep promises and you stop making promises you cannot keep. When you make a mistake, you own it in full, and you fix it in full. You do not hide in excuses because excuses keep you small. You will feel a new strength in ordinary moments. You will feel it when you push your plate away because you are eating for fuel, not for feelings. You will feel it when you close the tab and return to the work that matters. You will feel it when you walk away from a conversation that tries to pull you back into the old game of who cares more and who needs who. You no longer play that game. You outgrew it. And something else will happen. Respect will begin to arrive quietly. Not the loud applause that fades in a night. The steady kind that shows up as trust and space and better opportunities. People will sense that your attention is not cheap. They will sense that your time has purpose. They will approach you differently because you approach yourself differently. If a past love returns, it will not be to the same man she once knew. She may remember the version of you that begged and argued and over-explained. That man is gone. In his place stands a man who can love deeply without losing himself. A man who can walk away without hatred. A man who can forgive without forgetting the lesson. You do not punish anyone with your growth. You simply refuse to punish yourself by staying where your soul cannot breathe. You do not seek revenge. You let distance do what speeches never could. Your life becomes your message. Your peace becomes your proof. On the hard days, you will want to slip. You will want to send a text. You will want to go back just to feel familiar again. You will remember this. Familiar is not the same as good. Familiar is not the same as love. Familiar is just old. You are building new. Keep showing up to the simple things that do not impress the internet. Drink water. Train your body. Read real books. Protect your sleep. Make your money clean. Tell the truth. Keep your room in order. Call your family. Serve something larger than yourself. These are not small acts. They are bricks. Put down enough bricks, and one day you look around and there is a fortress. Do not expect applause for doing what a man must do. Expect resistance from the parts of you that liked the old comfort. Expect temptation dressed as opportunity. Expect loneliness that teaches you how to be your own friend. Walk through it anyway. Walk through it especially when no one sees you. Because one morning you will wake up and feel a quiet snap inside your spirit. The hunger for validation will be gone. The urge to prove yourself to the wrong people will be gone. In its place will be stillness and direction. You will choose your path and take the first step, and the step after that. You will not need to announce it. Your results will do that for you. This is how a man changes his story. Not with drama, not with a speech. With days stacked on days of simple discipline and clean choices. With silence where the begging used to be. With standards where the apologies used to be. With purpose where the anger used to be. So let the world wonder where you went. You did not disappear. You arrived. You arrived in your own life. You took your time back, your heart back, your name back. And now you move forward without rush and without fear. If someone wants to walk beside you, they will meet you at your pace. If they do not, they will fade on their own. You will not chase. You will not plead. You will continue. Breathe in. Stand tall. Step into the day like it belongs to you. Because it does.